What's up, Mananap? Welcome to C++ tutorial by Code Conyo. Okay, so today we are going to apply counter control loop to a program wherein we have here the loop control variable, which is 10, and then we are going to play a game which is kanang mag-shoot siya og ball tapos na siya 10 tries or 10 times siya mag-shoot og ball, and then every time maka-shoot siya og ball sa basketball or sa bana, no? So sa board, basketboard, okay? Then 1 for ma-shoot and then 0 if dili. And then i-total na to pila yang score for the duration of or within 10 times or 10 tries. So that's what we are going to do. And then we are also going to do later on a few program or sige, yun lang sa natin eh. So let's say for an instance, we are going to have here, first is the counter, or let's say we have num is equal to starts with 1, and then we are going to do a loop here. Let's say um, we have num less than or equal to CTR, so which is from 1 to 10. So that's the number of times no mag-shoot ang player. So let's say uh, this is say see out player 1. Example lang na daw tayo. Player 1, okay? And then we are going to have another so let's say isa lang sa ka-player, then later on ato siyang iduha ka-player. So right here, start with shoot. So let's say sorry, see out sa ta. So enter or try one. Okay, try num. Okay, and then baka nato siya draog. Then we are going to use the shoot variable kung again ang input nato 0 or 1, and then after that ato siyang ibutang dire na let's say total, no? Total plus equals to 0, and then I guess that's it. And then atong num di ay so num plus plus. Okay, so atong ibutang dire we have total score. So total score. So let's say we have total. Okay, so this program is just going to ask the user if ang player 1 na to for 10 tries pila iyang score. Okay, so 1 if nakashoot, 0 if wala. So i-try na to. So run the program. Ay, sorry, anong 0 man eh. Okay, so it should be total plus shoot di ay. Okay, so, oy, sorry, shoot. Shoot. Yan. Sige. So, let's try. We have here, counter controlled loop. Try player 1. Try number 1. So, we have, let's say, what siya ka-score? 0. Try 2, 1. Try 3, 0. Try 4, 1. So, 0, 0. Tapos try, then 1, and then 1, and then 1, and then last try is 0. So, yung score is 5. So, inana lang, ka-simple, no? So, what if we are going to have two players? So, pwede ta magbuhat of separate loops for player 1 and then another loop for player 2. So, pwede na to nabuhaton or pwede na po na to siya ibutang dre as like here, no? So, see out player 1. So, nato na player 1, and then so duha na to ang variable karon shoot 1 og ah pwede isa lang di ay. Okay, so ato lang buhaton diri is duha atong total sa 1, and then ang isa kay total 2. So i-replace lang nato ang shoot by every time mag shoot ang player. So example, we have here player 1, total 1, Okay, total 1 plus shoot, and then i-copy paste lang nato ni siya, and then we are going to do the same for player 2. Pero sa player 2 karon is gamiton nato ang player 2. Okay? So ang mahitabuan ni would be um, a score. So ibutan nato player 1 score. So player 1, okay, score is total 1. Okay? And then player 2 score is total 2. And then pwede na to siya butang conditions, no? If, okay? So let's say total 1, which is player 1. Okay? So pwede pod na instead of total 1, player 1 na lang ato ibutang ra or player 2. But since na anuhan naman nato na player 1, so player 1 na lang, total 1 na lang. So if total 1 is less than uh, is pwede natin ibutang is total 1 is equal to total 2. Okay? So ang output would be tie. Okay? So else if total 1 is less than total 2, so see out uh, player 1, player 2 wins. Uy, wins. Okay? Else, siyempre, kung dili si player 2 ang nadaog, so player 1 wins. Okay? So, inana natong program. So, again, what happens here is that ang shoot na to, mag-change lang siya. If unsay input is 0, then sunod re, unsay input 1 ba, so ma-add lang dito sa total 1 and then ma-add po diri sa total 2 for player number 2. So, if i-run na to atong program, we would have here, so player 1, let's say 0, player 2, 0. So player 1, 1. Pwede na ito try 1, try 2. Sige, try na to na later on. So we have here, okay, 1, 1, 1 di ay, tapos player 1, 1, 0. Sige, ato na lang i-ano, padayon. So, ala, na ay 10, my goodness. Sige lang na mali og input. Okay, so dapat if na siya natay anyway sige na lang. So player 1 score 13, player 2 score 32, and player 2 wins. Ato ani siyang butangan og see out diri na end line. Okay? And then di lang natin butangan og kuan. Okay, butangan nato diri round 1, okay? Or try 1, okay? So we have here try num. Okay, so try 1. Okay. So try 1 and then tangatong backslash NDI. Okay? So dapat 1-0 lang. Anyway, if so since ganina na ay 10, naka-input tag 10, naka-input tag 5, pwede nimo siya butangan og um, pwede mo siya butangan og if condition na if ang shoot value is dili 0 or dili 1, so magbutang kag else statement. So pwede nimo buhaton but we are not going to do that for now. So let's say we are going to input player 1 for 0 for player 1 and 1 and try 2 na pod 0 0 and then 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 0 and 1 then 0 and 1 and then 0 0. Oh, okay, and then 1, 1, and then 0, and then 1. So player 1 score 4, player 2 score is 8, so player 2 wins. So that's it. That's counter controlled loop, no? So in three times. Now, let's say for an instance, pattern na to would be uh, 10 times ang 10 tries ang ano ni player 1 and then what if pag maka-shoot siya mag-end ang loop. So pwede po nato na buhaton. So using counter controlled loop, let's say balik ta with first player lang. Okay? And then so wala na siguro ning total. Okay? And then try, player 1, shoot, and then, so tanggalon na nato ni sila. Everything here. Okay, and then, play, so, ana lang, no? And then, if makashoot siya, okay, if makashoot siya, if, let's say, shoot, so if shoot is equal to 1, so kung makashoot siya, break. Mag-break mo, no? Mahuman na inyong hang, ano, mag-break lang. And then, if dili, padayon lang siya. If zero, padayon lang. So, tapos, tanga na to siya, oh, congratulations. Okay, congratulations. Something like that. So, ayan, again, you can do whatever you would like to do in your program as long as you understand, no? You understand your program. So, you have here try one, player one, let's say 0, 0, 0, 0, and then nakashoot siya in try 5. So, congratulations directly. So, sir, pwede ba wala na ning num is equal to 1 and then instead of in ana, akong buhaton would be, baliktad lang ko, sir, like CTR greater than or is equal to 0 and then, syempre, you will just need to put this, kani imong CTR will be CTR minus minus. So, pwede ba na siya? Yes, pwede kaayo, no? So, however, ang ano lang ana is that, syempre, mag-start siya with let's say, kung nakay try 10, so inana. So, tanggalon na nato ning try 10. So, same with siguro player, pwede na to na i-remove na. So, shoot something. Okay, pag shoot 0 or 1 and then 1, congratulations. Pag dili. So, pwede po na siya, no? Ang ano na is from CTR to 0. Ang loop control variable na to is kaning 0. Okay, so let's say for an instance, shoot 0, shoot 0, shoot 0, shoot 0, then 1. So, yan. So, we just change it into this one, no? Nag-decrement lang tas atong CTR, meaning from 10 going to 0. So, ang loop control variable din na si CTR ba na 10 or si 1? Si 0. Okay? So, of course, ato ang starting value is si 10. So, ang loop control variable, yeah, matawag pa natin siya loop control variable kasi kung 20 ni 20 po siya, but I mas prefer na ako na ang loop control variable nato diya is 1 is 0 rather. Kasi loop control value na siyang tawag. So if this is negative 1, negative 2, so gikan sa 10 to negative 1 to negative 2, something like that. So now, let's have another example for counter-controlled loop. Let's say, naatay program na um, mag-ano, sige, let's reserve it for now muna lang, lahi na lang nato na siya. Ilahi na lang nato sa other tutorial na lang nato siya iputan. So I guess karon kana lang sa karon, and then thank you guys for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe Code Con News. So have a great day. Bye bye.